Slayton, one of the most recognizable faces from TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, has never been one to shy away from the spotlight or speak her truth. But in a recent shocking turn of events, Amy has finally addressed something fans have been buzzing about for months: the career of her current partner, Brian. Known for her candid nature and heartfelt social media posts, Amy breaking her silence on Brian's career path has stirred massive online reactions, fueled intense fan speculation, and raised more questions than answers. From rumors to truth, Amy's revelation sheds light on a complicated narrative that has silently unfolded behind the cameras. For months, the TLC fandom has speculated about Brian's professional background. While Amy had been relatively open about her own life, from her weight loss journey to motherhood, she had carefully guarded Brian's personal life, particularly his career. This discretion sparked a wildfire of theories across social media platforms. Some claimed he was in entertainment himself. Others speculated he had a past in security, construction, or even something more controversial. The fact that Amy kept things under wraps only added to the intrigue, and when fan pages began to dig into his background, they were met with conflicting information and vague traces of an unconventional career. When Amy finally took to social media to speak out, it wasn't in the form of a formal announcement. It came subtly through a TikTok livestream where fans flooded the comments with questions. "Why don't you tell us what Brian actually does?" one follower typed during the stream. Amy paused, took a deep breath, and said, "You know what? I think it's time. Brian's not just some random guy. He's got a story, and you'll need to hear it." Quote, according to Amy, Brian had worked in what she called an underground career that most people wouldn't understand at first glance. As fans sat in silence and waited for her to continue, Amy finally admitted that Brian had been involved in a controversial yet legal sector of the entertainment industry: adult content creation. The bombshell instantly sent shockwaves through the fandom. Amy clarified that Brian had stepped away from the industry prior to meeting her, but she emphasized that she didn't judge him for his past and admired his transparency. Amy's admission wasn't just shocking, it was deeply personal. She explained how the couple initially connected online and how Brian had been upfront about his previous work. "He didn't hide anything from me. He told me everything on our third phone call. He said, 'This is what I used to do, and if that's a problem, I understand.' But it wasn't a problem. I respected that he was honest." Amy's tone was sincere, her eyes glassy, as she spoke directly to her fans about the importance of seeing someone beyond their past. Still, not everyone was supportive. In the days following the live stream, comment sections were flooded with mixed reactions. Some praised Amy for her maturity and open-mindedness. Others expressed concern for her and her children, questioning whether Brian's past could impact their future. Some even suggested TLC might distance itself from the couple over potential public backlash. But Amy remained unbothered. She later followed up with a video reiterating that her children's safety and well-being are her top priorities. "Brian's past doesn't define our future," she stated. "He's a good man, he's here every day, and he loves my boys like they're his own." In an emotional segment on a recent episode of 1000 LB Sisters, producers captured a tender moment between Amy and Brian where they sat down and discussed how their attention on his past might affect their life together. Brian appeared calm and composed, acknowledging that he had done what he had to do to survive, and had no regrets. Amy placed her hand on his and reassured him that she stood by his side. "We all come from something. It's what we build next that matters," she said. While some fans remain skeptical, others argue that Brian's journey mirrors Amy's in many ways, a story of resilience, reinvention, and choosing a better path. Supporters have flooded social media with messages applauding Amy for not letting stigma cloud her judgment. Some even praised TLC for continuing to show a raw and real portrayal of human experiences that break away from the traditional mold. As the internet continues to buzz with debates and think pieces, Amy has remained calm, perhaps more so than ever before. Her posts in the following days have been cheerful and full of gratitude. She's shared photos of her sons playing with Brian, vlogs of their daily routines, and even light-hearted videos showing Brian helping her decorate the kitchen. Amy's transparency and Brian's unbothered demeanor have begun to sway public opinion, slowly but surely. In an exclusive update on her YouTube channel, Amy reflected on how public scrutiny is nothing new for her. People have been judging me since I was 400 pounds on camera, since I wore blue lipstick, since I cried about not fitting into a regular bathtub. If I let every judgment stop me, I'd still be stuck. I'm not stuck anymore. I'm moving forward, with someone who gets it. Amy's voice cracked with emotion, but her conviction was clear. I've been through heartbreak, divorce, postpartum, trolls, surgery, fame, all of it. If anyone earned a little happiness, it's me. The story of Amy and Brian is far from over, and TLC has hinted that the upcoming season will dive deeper into their relationship. Leaked production notes suggest that Amy's trust in Brian may be tested when an old friend from his past reaches out, prompting a difficult conversation about boundaries and loyalty. Insiders claim that Amy will be faced with a tough decision about how much of Brian's history she's willing to embrace in the long run. But if the past few months have shown anything, it's that Amy is ready for whatever life throws at her. Her journey has never been about perfection. It's about growth. From losing weight and reclaiming her health to navigating motherhood and surviving heartbreak, Amy has consistently evolved before the public eye. Her ability to forgive, rebuild, and believe in new beginnings is what makes her story resonate with so many. The truth about Brian's career may have shocked fans, but Amy's response is a testament to her strength and unwavering belief in second chances. Even in the face of gossip and judgment, Amy Slayton has proven yet again that she's not just a reality TV star. She's a woman learning, growing, and thriving despite the odds. Brian's past may be unconventional, but to Amy, it's just another chapter in a story that's still being written. And as the cameras keep rolling, one thing is clear, Amy's narrative belongs to her and her alone. Whatever the world thinks, she's not backing down. Not now, not ever. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.